Depop has officially killed Shopify dropshipping, and in this video I'm going to tell you exactly why and how easy it really is to get into dropshipping now in 2025 because of Depop. Now, usually in traditional Shopify dropshipping, you would have had to have two vessels: the store and then the ads that sell whatever product you're selling on your store. This would have had to go there, your ads would funnel to your store, and on your ads you would pay a very hefty amount of money for sometimes your product to not even be profitable. So then you'll have to create a whole new store, buy a whole new subscription, and sell a whole new product. Don't know what this is meant to be, maybe a hat. So let's say your hat failed. Now you have to restart this whole process all over again with a different product. Why Depop has killed this whole strategy for making money is because with Depop, you only have one avenue and one vessel of selling. That is Depop itself. Now, with Depop, you do not have any external ads that you have to pay for, unlike Shopify. All of it is contained within Depop. You can easily hit high 5 figures a month, and that is with just a little bit of effort into multiple stores. Now, let's say you post a product onto Depop and it fails. That doesn't mean you have to create a whole nother account and rebrand and create new ad creatives and all of this. It just means that you have to post another product. Now with Depop, you can streamline this method using my product research and product listing masterclass within the school, which is my learning academy called the Depop Academy, where I teach people how to be successful. If you want to join that, it's in the description. But yeah, with my methods, you can literally post up to 20 listings a day within about half an hour, if that. And one of them is bound to be a winning product if you know how to do product research even half right. So let's say you put up 20 shots a day and even 10% of them a day are winning products, and let's assume you make $50 a day per winning product. That is already around 10k a month if you just work at that every day and compound onto that. That is how easy Depop is, and with Depop's boost feature, you do not have to pay before you've actually made a sale. You can boost a listing and get it essentially advertised to people on the platform, and Depop, by the way, is one of the biggest clothes selling platforms around, so its advertising base is huge. And the fact that you can advertise on there essentially for like a fee of 8% before you've even sold the product, you can advertise it and not even have to pay, is insane. So let's say you've built up a store with 500 winning products. That is going to be a much bigger income stream with literally 0% risk, as opposed to Shopify dropshipping, where you are risking it all for the biscuit, hoping that this one product you've randomly picked will be a winner. Whereas with Depop, it allows you to build a strong product base where you are essentially guaranteed to get winning products if you stick at it. And that is why the obsolete method of Shopify dropshipping is now dead. Depop is where it's at. And if you truly want to succeed in Depop, again, join the Depop Academy. You do not realize how easy it is to succeed in dropshipping until you've literally just been on Depop. My students are getting sales every single day from methods they never even thought about before, all because I've opened their eyes up to this and the strategies that can help them actually succeed in Depop dropshipping. Now, you have to be careful, as there is a lot of fake and misinformation going around, and you have to be careful to stay within Depop's guidelines and not get your account banned, shadow banned, or hit off the algorithm. But that's very easy to do, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. But Depop dropshipping is where it's at. There's no point in running Shopify dropshipping unless you have literal multi-tens of thousands to waste on products until you finally hit it big. So yeah, if you are just now starting your online business journey, Depop is where it's at. Again, join the Depop Academy if you actually want to make money online for the first time in your life successfully, again, without any risk. And yeah, that's all I have to say to you. If you know you're cut out for this online business stuff, you know what to do next.